This is how it rains out here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's just, I mean, to say torrential would be an understatement. It's just unbelievable. Let's see if I can open the window here. The neighbors, I don't know if you can see out back, they had a tent. You can see its legs sticking up in the air in the background there. I think they were going to have a barbecue and, well, they're not anymore. Oh my God. I think this is the strongest I've ever seen it. We must be getting a little bit of the weather that is left over from the hurricane, maybe. It's just crazy. I need to go out and fix the laundry here, because the laundry that was drying has gone out and has fallen over the God, I don't want to go out there. It's fallen over the air conditioner. I'm a little bit concerned about it. If I go out there, I'm just going to get soaked. And now this rain coming in, hitting the window, this porch is at least 2.5 feet deep or so. And so it's coming in fully sideways. I think I'm going to leave the laundry for now. This will stop soon enough, I'm sure. So the worry here is that there could be flooding with such crazy amounts of rain coming in so quickly. Wow. Truly unbelievable. Oh, there goes thunder. Well, there you have it. Some of the most bizarre rain I've ever seen.